When people think of Halloween, the first things that come to mind are costumes, pumpkins, and trick-or-treating. But Halloween can also be a time for giving thoughtful gifts. Unlike birthdays or traditional holidays, Halloween gifts carry a sense of fun, mystery, and surprise. They don't have to be extravagant or formal. Often, the best Halloween gifts are playful, creative, and designed to spark joy. Whether it's a small token for a friend, a party favor for guests, or a seasonal treat for a loved one, Halloween gifts help extend the spirit of the holiday beyond costumes and candy. Halloween and sweets go hand in hand, so it's no surprise that edible gifts often feel like the most natural choice. The excitement of receiving something delicious taps into the essence of the holiday itself. But beyond the candy bag given at the doorstep, there's a whole world of edible gifting that can make the season feel even more memorable. What makes edible gifts so appealing is their universality. Almost everyone enjoys a treat, and food naturally brings joy. Whether it's something small and simple or something creative and decorative, edible gifts are always well received. They also lend themselves to personalization. Instead of a random assortment of candy, gifts can be shaped by the recipient's preferences. Something sweet for those who love indulgence, or something savory for those who don't crave sugar. But food gifts aren't just about taste, they're also about experience. When you give someone a bag of popcorn, a jar of spiced nuts, or a carefully decorated cookie, you're giving them a little moment to pause and enjoy. You're offering them not just a snack, but a feeling tied to the holiday. The flavors, the colors, and even the packaging all become part of the memory. Halloween edible gifts also tie into traditions. For children, they echo the thrill of trick-or-treating, but in a more thoughtful, intentional way. For adults, they can feel nostalgic, bringing back memories of childhood while also providing something new. And for gatherings or parties, edible gifts become part of the shared celebration, something everyone can enjoy together. At their core, edible Halloween gifts remind us that celebration doesn't always need to be grand. Sometimes it's about something small, delightful, and sweet, an edible surprise that captures the flavor of the season. If you had fun exploring these spooky gift ideas, make sure to like this video and share it with your friends who love Halloween too. While food delights in the moment, keepsakes carry the holiday spirit long after Halloween ends. These are the kinds of gifts that linger in someone's home, becoming part of their seasonal decor or even part of their daily life. A keepsake may be decorative, practical, or sentimental, but what sets it apart is its ability to stay with the recipient beyond October. Keepsakes capture the magic of Halloween in physical form. They can be whimsical or subtle, spooky or charming. For some, it may be a decorative piece that gets brought out every year, reminding them of the season. For others, it could be something more practical, a small item with a Halloween twist that becomes part of their everyday routine during the fall months. What makes keepsakes particularly powerful is their durability. Unlike candy, which is enjoyed quickly, or even experiences which are remembered fondly, keepsakes can be touched, seen, and used again and again. They anchor memories, turning a simple gift into something that continues to spark joy year after year. They also allow for personality. A keepsake doesn't need to be the same for everyone. It can reflect the relationship between the giver and the recipient. Something humorous for a friend, something cozy for a family member, something elegant for someone who appreciates subtlety. The keepsake becomes a reflection of the connection, which makes it even more meaningful. Spooky-themed keepsakes ultimately highlight the way Halloween blends playfulness with tradition. They're small markers of a moment, tokens that carry the spirit of October into the months beyond. In that sense, they're not just gifts, they're memories made tangible. Which Halloween gift would you love to give or get? Drop your favorite idea in the comments below. Not all gifts need to be physical objects. Sometimes the best gifts are experiences, moments that people can share, remember, and talk about long after the holiday has passed. Halloween, with its atmosphere of fun, fright, and festivity, is especially well-suited to experience-based giving. These gifts are powerful because they create memories. a ticket to a haunted house, a spooky-themed event, or even a seasonal activity like pumpkin carving becomes more than just entertainment, it becomes a story. And stories are what holidays are truly about. People remember the laughter, the surprises, the chills, and the shared moments more vividly than they remember any single object. Experiences can be big or small. They might be an organized outing, like visiting a fall festival, or something simple and personal, like hosting a Halloween movie night with snacks and blankets. They might be crafted for families with activities that bring children and adults together, or designed for friends, offering a chance to bond over something fun and lighthearted. What makes experience-based gifts unique is their flexibility. They can be elaborate or intimate, costly or budget-friendly, yet they always carry meaning. They show thoughtfulness because they require planning and attention to what the recipient might enjoy. They emphasize presence, being together, doing something, sharing a moment, rather than simply exchanging objects. In the end, experiences highlight what's most valuable during Halloween: connection. The holiday thrives on community, interaction, and shared fun, and experience-based gifts capture that essence in the most direct way possible. They're not just about the gift itself, they're about the joy of celebrating together. For more creative and festive ideas all season long, don't forget to subscribe and join our Halloween-loving community. The final category of Halloween gifts combines usefulness with holiday spirit. Practical gifts are those that serve a real purpose, but are infused with a touch of Halloween charm. They strike a balance between function and festivity, making them enjoyable in the moment, while also valuable beyond the season. Practical gifts often surprise people because they're unexpected. When someone receives a blanket, a mug, or a simple household item with a festive twist, they see that the gift was chosen with both enjoyment and utility in mind. It shows thoughtfulness on two levels, making the recipient's daily life easier while also adding seasonal cheer. These gifts carry a special charm because they extend the feeling of Halloween beyond just one night. A cozy throw can be used throughout autumn. A kitchen gadget with a seasonal design can become part of family cooking traditions, and even small items like stationery or reusable bags can brighten everyday tasks with Halloween energy. And if you spotted something you'd like to grab for yourself, all the Halloween gifts shown in this video are linked down below. When you look closely, Halloween gifts reveal the many ways this holiday can be celebrated. They can be sweet and edible, playful and decorative, experiential and memorable, or practical and useful. Each type highlights a different side of Halloween, yet all of them share the same purpose: spreading joy, creating connection, and celebrating the season in a way that lasts. Unlike holidays where gift-giving is expected, Halloween gifts always carry an element of surprise. They're not obligatory, they're chosen with care, and that's what makes them meaningful. Whether it's a simple token or a more elaborate gesture, the act of giving itself adds depth to the season. At its core, Halloween is about imagination, mystery, and delight. And when gifts are woven into that mix, they expand the celebration beyond candy and costumes, turning it into something richer, more personal, and more memorable.